People ask all the time, how do you maintain the reels that I make? How do you keep the wood in good condition? Well, first of all, the wood is encased in epoxy, boat building epoxy. It has two coats of boat builder's epoxy. It saturates into the wood and provides a waterproof coating for the wood. Second, you have two coats of spar varnish on it that protects the epoxy from UV rays. What you do is every 2 years, year to 2 years, you want to take all the line off. You want to get some 220 grit sandpaper and lightly sand the surface. You're just trying to get off the surface marks, grime, dirt, things that have accumulated over the course of a year or two. All right. Once you do that, I usually will wash it off with some sort of water, let it dry, get all the grime and stuff off. And then I'll put 2 more coats of Spar Varnish. It needs to be Spar Varnish because Spar Varnish protects against the UV rays. It doesn't matter if it's oil-based or water-based. It doesn't matter if it's, currently, I'm just using some stuff that I got from Home Depot. This is what I'm using right now. Focus. Get that glare out of there. Spar urethane, but spar is the word it has to have in it. If it doesn't have spar in it, don't use it. It has to have lots of UV inhibitors in it. Otherwise, it won't work. My point is the wood is never exposed to the elements because it's encased in all this protection. That's why I do it the way I do it. Right? So I want it to last a lifetime. Generally, keep it indoors. Although I have kept one of my reels on the boat. I designed them to be neglected, but don't neglect it, right? Generally keep it indoors. You can keep it in your truck if you want, or your car. Just keep it. Don't store it on the ground or anything. Kind of care for it the way you would a wooden canoe, and it'll just last and last and last. That's all there is to it.